Let's dive into the workings of our EXSOUL application. Our unique app allows you to interact with 5 different AI-driven characters or eSouls, each with a distinctive personality and knowledge base. On stepping inside, you're welcomed by 5 unique AI characters or eSouls. The first eSoul channels Abraham Lincoln, delivering details about his life and era. It's needed as it provides an engaging, innovative educational tool for learners of all ages about Abraham Lincoln's life and era, and can potentially interest you due to its unique approach to historical education and wide market appeal.
The second eSoul, Oscar Garcia, acts as an in-depth source of all U.S. history. This AI model is needed for people as it offers a revolutionary, personalized, and immersive method for learning U.S. history, while potentially attracting investors who see the commercial potential in a wide range of customizable teacher eSouls models for various aspects of education and training.
Iris, the third eSoul, is a universal assistant ready to answer any questions from any domain.
Sola is your personal guide to the universe of EXSOUL and its rich portfolio of products.
The final eSoul, Ava, serves as a personalized shopping advisor, assisting you with seamless ordering, reservation, and delivery for all your needs. The knowledge base of Ava can be customized to a currently operating store, potentially replacing the role of store managers. This implementation is promising as it saves the cost of human resources, increases efficiency, and minimizes errors in managing the store, thus significantly enhancing operational productivity and potential profit margins.
Engaging with these eSouls is as simple as starting a chat, voice, or even a video call.
Let's quickly demonstrate a chat with our U.S. history teacher, Oscar Garcia. We included a cool feature to be able to make audio calls with eSouls. Let's try a voice call with Abraham Lincoln.
Hey, Saul.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Tell me about yourself.
As an eSoul, I embody the character and values of Abraham Lincoln, who is prominently known as the 16th President of the United States.
Tell me more about Lincoln education.
Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, had a very limited formal education. He was mostly self-educated. His formal schooling, from itinerant teachers, was intermittent, amounting to less than a year in total.
But that's not it. We've added a cherry to the top. You can now effortlessly make video calls with your eSouls.
Hi, Ava.
Hello. I'm here to help and answer any questions you might have. What can I do for you today?
Tell me about eSoul Shop.
eSoul Shop is a unique retail destination that offers a wide variety of products designed to cater to the need and tastes of our diverse customer base. We pride ourselves on our ability to provide high-quality items at competitive price, all while ensuring a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience for our customers.
Thank you, Ava.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could provide guidance. If you have any more questions or need help, feel free to reach out.
Sola eSoul has an interesting feature for potential investors. You can enter a secret investor's code in chat to activate business response model. The code is 123987. What is your long-term vision for the company, and how do you plan to achieve it?
Our long-term vision is to become the leading provider of personalized electronic memorial services with a global user base and a reputation for innovation and quality. We plan to achieve this by continuing to improve and evolve our app, expanding our user base through targeted marketing and partnerships, and building a strong brand that resonates with our users. Additionally, we may explore opportunities to expand into related areas such as grief support or virtual reality as we continue to grow and evolve.
And that's the EXSOUL application, a perfect blend of engaging AI and personalization. We look forward to welcoming you aboard this revolutionary experience. Besides, we also offer a premium subscription you can buy in our shop with cool services like longer AI responses and an exclusive accessory collection. EXSOUL isn't just about technology, it's about creating personal, enriching experiences. We welcome investors to join us on this exciting journey as we revolutionize the way people interact with AI. Finally, what adds more novelty to our app is the flexibility to create your own custom eSouls, tailoring them according to your preferences, from their appearance, voice, to their behavior style and knowledge base. We also have a surprise for you and want to show you our new exclusive eSoul, which Juliet will present to you right now.